Respect the earth. The huge maidan was full of people. Some were walking, others jogging, or doing yoga on their yoga mats. Gagan and his friends, who had been playing a game of football at the far end of the maidan, were now relaxing under a huge banyan tree. Gagan's grandfather was also with the children. He accompanied the group of children to the park every evening.
Look, Dadaji, a green parrot.
Where? I have never seen a green parrot.
When I was your age, this same tree used to be full of parrots and other birds as well.
Where have all the birds gone now, Dadaji?
We human beings forget that we have to share our planet with other living things. As our human population grows, so do our demands on the earth. That helps us to live comfortably by providing light, water, heat and food. We are using up the resources faster than the earth produces them. How much can the earth do and how fast can it work?
Papa says that instead of palm trees and ashoka trees, we should plant fruit trees in green belts and parks so that the birds can have a good supply of food they need.
Roshni, I think you will also have to learn to use less water when you shower.
Why? What's wrong with a good shower every morning?
You should have a bucket bath. Showering just wastes water.
What? A bucket bath? I sometimes bathe in a tub full of water. I don't think I'd fit in a bucket. No, you wouldn't fit in a bucket, and you definitely shouldn't be using a tub of water to bathe. Just fill a bucket with water, use a mug of water at a time, and you will realize how little water you require to have a good bath. Have you seen people queuing up to fill water for their daily needs? Just because we don't need to do that, it doesn't mean we should waste water.
And you must also use a tooth mug when brushing your teeth instead of leaving the tap on and letting precious water run down the drain. I'm glad you children know so much about saving the environment.
Yes, Dadaji, our teachers have also told us a lot about this. We've learned how to keep our school free of plastic bags. We all bring our snacks to school in reusable containers or paper bags.
I think that you must come here one day and clean this park. Just look around. What do you see?
The flower beds and hedges have so many plastic bags in them. There are also so many dry leaves all over.
We have a compost pit in our school garden. Why don't the park gardeners make one here?
What's a compost pit?
It's a pit in which we put grass cuttings, dry leaves and flowers, vegetable scraps and even fruit peels. We keep the pit moist and after some time, the contents of the pit turn into good manure. This manure can be used to fertilize the flower beds and also our school vegetable patch. We don't have to use chemical fertilizers.
Very good, children. Come on, tell me what else can you do to save the earth?
Every summer, the electricity is turned off for many hours, sometimes. Mummy says that this is our fault. We leave fans and lights on and waste electricity. Now we are very careful. At school, I am the monitor of my class. I turn off the fans when we go out during the recess or to the playground.
We have to understand that nothing lasts forever. We must use less water and less power. Open the doors and windows and let in the breeze and sunlight. When we were children, we didn't have air conditioners. In winter, we didn't use heaters. I just put on an additional sweater.
Did you know that if your TV, computer and other appliances are plugged in, they are quietly draining electricity all day even when they are turned off? This is known as standby power or the electric power consumed by products when they are switched off or in a standby mode.
That's interesting, Gagan. I have learned so many things today.
There are many more things to learn.
I've thought of something. We carpool. I live in a big building and there are 4 other children who study in my school. The bus doesn't come to our building, so our fathers take turns to drive us to school. This week, it's my daddy's turn.
Carpooling is good. What else can we do to save petrol?
We can use the metro or walk to places close by. I cycle to school.
My mother shops for the whole week, so she needs to go to the market once a week. My grandfather works from home. He goes to work just once a week. On other days, he uses the computer and the telephone to remain in touch with his office. So we do our bit to save fuel. Papa says that we all should shop less. We must buy things when we really need them. Daddy says we should not waste food. We must take only as much food as we need to eat and must finish what is in our plates.
The earth is ours to protect and preserve. It is constantly working for us. We need to understand how hard it works and know that we can help it to remain alive. Just remember the words: reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and most important of all, respect the earth.